Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will write a JavaScript program to replace the first digit in a character with the dollar sign or dollar character. This task is a great introduction to using regular expressions in JavaScript for string manipulation. Let's get started. The problem is simple but practical. Given that a string that contains at least one digit, we need to identify the first digit and replace it with the dollar character. For example, the string ABC1 DABC becomes ABC dollar DABC. Let us see how we can implement this. This function uses a regular expression to find the first occurrence of a digit in the string. The replace method replaces that digit with the dollar character. It works efficiently and ensures that only the first digit is replaced. The program follows a straightforward process. First, we use a regular expression digit last / to match the first digit. We apply the replace method, which replaces the matched digit with the dollar character. And finally, we return the modified string. Only the first digit is replaced, leaving the rest of the string unchanged. Let's analyze some examples. In the string ABC1DABC, the first digit 1 is replaced with the dollar, resulting in ABC dollar DABC. Similarly, in P3 Python, the digit 3 is replaced with the dollar, giving us P dollar Python. This logic applies consistently to all inputs. The ES6 version simplifies the function to a one-liner arrow function. It achieves the same results by using the replace method with the same regular expression. This makes the code cleaner and more concise. To summarize, we use a regular expression to identify the first digit in a string and replace it with the dollar character using the replace method. This solution is simple and efficient and can be implemented in both ES5 and modern ES6 syntax. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next